Now I'm going to show you how to make the decorations on the other two cakes. So for the mango cake, you need orange and yellow paper. For the mango cubes, draw this arrangement on an orange piece of paper. So 6 squares arranged like this, and then cut it out. After you do that, fold along the lines between the squares to form a cube. Then tape it together with tape. After you do that, you will have a mango cube. You can make as many as you want for your cake. And for the ice cream cone, use a round shape to trace a circle on a yellow piece of paper. In this case, I used the inside of my tape, and then draw a crisscross waffle pattern on it. Then, like the mango cube, cut it out. After you do that, carefully roll it into an ice cream cone shape, like so, and tape it together. Like this. If you want, you can trim the top. And here you have the 2 types of decorations on your yellow mango cake. And for the strawberry cake, to make the strawberry, take a piece of red paper, cut it a small piece, and fold it in half before drawing a strawberry shape on it. You need 2 identical sides, and the best way to do so is to fold it in half. So then you can draw your strawberry shape. Add some seeds if you want, and cut it out. Then you can add seeds on the other side of the strawberry. And now you have 2 identical sides. Then cut a strip of paper for the thickness of the strawberry, and you can put it on the slice to see how long you need it to be about, and then cut it again. And then you can just tape it. And tape the other side on here as well. And there you have your strawberry. Now, just cut out the stem of the strawberry and tape it onto the red bit of the strawberry. And there we have our strawberry for the pink strawberry cake. For the strawberry sauce, just draw a red squiggly line on the red paper. For that, depending on the size of your cake, and cut it out to tape onto your cake. Like this is an example. So here is the decoration for the strawberry cake and the decorations for the mango cake. And these are the finished products for the two cakes after you add the decorations. So hopefully you enjoyed this video and learn how to make your own cakes. And you can also customize them with other fruits and decorations as well.